How to wear multiple face accessories in your Roblox avatar. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can wear multiple face accessories in your Roblox avatar. So to do this, the first thing that you're going to do is simply click over to your profile picture at the top right corner. And then from here, you can click onto this edit avatar option. Now from here, make sure that you have selected accessories, and within the accessories, you can click onto this face option. Now it will show you all of the face accessories that you have. I currently only have a single face accessory, which is this cool glass. So I'm going to simply click onto this, and now you can see that I am currently wearing this particular face accessory. If you have multiple accessories, you can wear them as well. So that's how easily you can wear the face accessory in Roblox. So that was all for this tutorial. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.